This year, many iPhone users feel like they are paying for the same device again with just a small addition, a single button. Instead of a meaningful upgrade, it seems more like a rehash of previous models with minor tweaks. While expectations were high for something more innovative, Apple has only made modest changes. However, the upcoming iPhone 17 is expected to change that perception completely. The iPhone 17 is rumored to bring a bold new design that will break away from the repetitive style of recent models. Fans who have been hoping for a significant redesign may finally see their wishes come true. Notably, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will feature a new back design that combines aluminum and glass. This marks a major departure from the all-glass backs that have become standard. The hybrid back is expected to feel sturdier and offer a fresh premium aesthetic that distinguishes it from earlier models. One of the standout changes will be the camera bump. Instead of the usual 3D glass module, a new design will have a larger rectangular aluminum housing for the cameras. This updated look is expected to give the device a more modern and streamlined appearance. The bottom half of the back will remain glass to ensure wireless charging functions properly. Overall, the iPhone 17 will have an aluminum frame and body similar to the older iPhone 7. Unlike the iPhone 7, however, it will retain a glass section at the bottom for functionality, creating a well-balanced mix of durability and performance. On the front, the iPhone 17 might introduce a sleek new selfie camera design. Reports suggest Apple may replace the dynamic island with a small, center-aligned hole-punch camera. This change would eliminate the notch or pill-shaped cutout, offering a more minimalistic design and larger screen area. It's a subtle but meaningful improvement that could appeal to those who prefer a cleaner aesthetic. The iPhone 17 is also expected to bring major upgrades under the hood. It will likely be powered by the A19 Pro chip, which promises a noticeable boost in speed and efficiency. This chip will enhance performance across the board, especially for gaming, enabling users to play demanding AAA games effortlessly. Coupled with iOS 19, the phone will offer improved AI capabilities, smarter functionality, and enhanced user experiences. The camera system will also see significant upgrades, providing better quality for both photos and videos with advanced features. Another rumored design enhancement is the possibility of a reflective front panel, adding a sophisticated touch to the overall look of the device. If true, this would further enhance the iPhone 17's premium appeal, setting it apart from previous models. Additionally, Apple is working on a thinner model called the iPhone 17 Air. This version will feature a 6.6-inch display and retain the dynamic island feature. It will also be equipped with a powerful A19 Bionic chip, ensuring top-tier performance. The iPhone 17 Air will come with a 48MP camera for impressive photography, 8GB of RAM for smoother multitasking, and iOS 19 out of the box, offering all the latest features. For those considering an upgrade, next year might be the ideal time to invest in an iPhone. With significant design changes, powerful performance improvements, and exciting new features, the iPhone 17 series is shaping up to be one of Apple's most groundbreaking releases in recent years.